Hey everyone, Toronto Ty here again, just for a night edition of the construction update here at Canada's Wonderland. And as you can see, Wonder Mountain is already lit up during the sunset here. And looking back, mountains are already getting quite colorful. And I'm going to be stopping by before I head out, just to check them out one more time. Well, for those who are complaining about Guardian always having a long line, tonight it's not a very long line at all. I'm not sure if the switchback is open in there, but this sign is fantastic. It's a shame more people don't notice the fountain here in the Vortex Lake, but combined with Skyhawk up there with its bright colors, and Windseeker with its amazing lighting package. This is a really, really nice nighttime spot. Perfect for setting up the fireworks. And it makes me wonder what kind of lighting package we're gonna get on the new ride. Another great night lighting package is just here on Coasters. Beautiful neon, perfectly fits the 50s style diner atmosphere that they're trying to go for with it. So, yeah, really nice. All right, just over here next to the Mindbuster exit again, and they have a pretty massive pit there. So, not sure exactly what that is. Probably, I'm gonna say infrastructure for the station, but yeah, they're doing a lot of work on it. I was able to see it from Windseeker, so if you'd like, take a ride on Windseeker and look down in there, but don't take any pictures while on Windseeker. Please follow all park rules. Thank you. Honestly, if anybody could tell me what this 2x4 in the grass next to the fence on the Splashworks pathway is for, or this one over on this side of the pathway is for, please do. I'm really curious. They seem so unusual. Oddly enough, only one of these lampposts seems to actually be working. I'm not sure if the electrical system, if they're still working on it or what, but all these other lampposts along this pathway are not currently working. But there is another one over that way that is. They were definitely working on that fence last week, and it seems like they are now done working on it. It appears to be perfectly straight, standing up, so that's looking good. Outside of that, not much to say from this angle, and I'm not sure what that means for the work on the other footers that they've got outside of that fence. As you probably noticed from the Mindbuster side, the construction site trailer has been moved from over there to over here next to the Splashworks entrance, so much closer to here, and that's probably just because of the work with the pit, but I can't say for sure. Well, as I was mentioning last week, the fence along this pathway, well, there wasn't one. So they've done a lot of work here, getting this the wooden fence put up with the additional construction fence with scrim right behind it, and it looks like they've gotten this pretty much all the way down here. So that's pretty interesting. Pretty great that they were able to get that all up over the week. And right over here, what was once all construction fence is now just regular fence. So it appears that they've finished off this whole area. No footers in sight here. Nothing Nothing unusual about this area. The patio next to Flying Canoes, it now has some umbrellas on it, and this entrance for Flying Canoes is very, very bright, which is awesome. The sign, however, is very, very dark, which I suppose isn't a problem because it's just past 9 and it appears that they're already closed. So I guess it falls under Kidsville rules? Not quite sure with that. So much like Flying Canoes, Lumberjack's entire area is very, very brightly lit, perfectly standing out, but their sign is very dark. I'm not sure if they just haven't installed a light for it or if this is just how it's going to be, but personally I like the Guardian spotlight on the sign a lot better than having these dimly lit signs. So the Soaring Timbers sign looks just like what I would expect, and the ride still looks absolutely amazing, even if the ride experience isn't quite as thrilling as we thought it would be. Lighting package on Clockworks is awesome. The LEDs are really, really gorgeously bright. And then over here we have Shockwave, which is always a great show at night. As you can see, bright colorful lights shining in every direction because of the wild nature of this ride. And this is one of my top 3 favorite rides, favorite thrill rides in the park. Alright everyone, I'm introducing a new segment to the show this week, and it's called Trivia Time. So, you guys can let me know down in the comments below what the original name of Wonderland Theater was. If you get it right, I'll give you a shout out on the next video. Well, it looks like Orbiter is all done for the night, but I just have to say, what an absolutely fantastic lighting package on one of my favorite rides at the park. And Sledgehammer is not operational. It's been running test cycles for a while. One of my absolute favorite rides in the park. Favorite thrill ride for sure. And then we also have Cyclone over here with some nice lights once it gets going. Oh, and of course Behemoth, can't forget about Behemoth. Amazing tracer lights there. I kind of wish that Leviathan had something similar, but hey, I'll take what I can. Alright everyone, that does it for this week here at Wonderland with the amazing floral flag, these incredible lights all the way down the Royal Fountain, and the lights on the falls of Wonder Mountain. I am very much looking forward to Starlight Spectacular, where we'll have a lot more lights on the mountain. But until then, have a good one. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to comment down below for anything that you'd like me to cover in the next video. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post new videos.